Hello everyone, JiF994 here, and I want to show you my plush, not a plush, my awesome figurine on the box. We'll see, I'm going to do an unboxing video. Okay, let me see. Okay, I got this. Okay, let's open this. Cause I would do a blah blah blah. I just done that on Pandora book. I'm sorry about it. Please forgive me. But I'm gonna show you something awesome. But I'm doing an unboxing. But I'm sorry about that. I think about. And this is my dark magician girl. Okay. I'm gonna always focus on YouTube career. That's what I'll be doing right now. Cause I do something different. Because Hoshiko, I want them. I'm sorry, because I want the bear. I'm trying to like, you know. I know I'm a nice guy, and I got my cool dark magician, girl. That shit's so cute. Okay. And her wand. Oh, you have to do like this. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay, we got this figurine right here. Now I'm gonna open my other one. But you know, like, you know what, like I'm like, you know, I'm good and so. Oh. Like, you know, anime day. But anime day, because like I would not do the block. I only do it on Pandora every year. Block. Okay. They can put this. It could be. How you do this? Okay. Okay, I'm about to end this video. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe on my channel. And peace out, everyone. Because, and I tell you, And I want have a blessing week. Remember, stay positive, stay awesome, stay cool, just like me, Joseph Foster. But remember, don't let people judge you where you are, because be really successful, be awesome, and bye. Have a good day. Peace out.
Vision